Welcome to all. The topic to be thought today is about lead storage batteries. In day to day life, lead storage battery used in various ways like inverter automobiles. Lead storage the battery is invented in 1859 by French physicist Gaston Planté. The lead acid storage battery is the capable of being recharged, which is important for their uses in car. Lead acid batteries are known as lead storage battery, can store a lot of charge and providing high current for short periods of time. The important elements of lead acid storage battery. The lead oxide is act as the anode, spongy lead that is coated with lead oxide that is act as the cathode. Then insulating the material is between these two plates, and water and sulfuric acid act as the electrolyte. In lead storage cells, the following cell may be represented. Here lead is act as the anode. Here lead is coated with lead oxide is act as the cathode. In sulfuric acid is act as the electrolyte. Lead acid battery descriptions. This lead acid storage cells operate both voltaic cells as well as electrolytic cells. When operate as an voltaic cells, it supplies electrical energy, and results become run down. It must then be recharged. When being recharged, the cell operates as an electrolytic cells. This lead storage, the battery is consisting of 6 2-volt cells connected in series. Each component is composed of several negative and positive electrodes made up of pure spongy lead and lead oxide connected in parallel or immersed in a dilute solutions of sulfuric acids. The densities of the sulfuric acid is 1.3 gram per liter. Then working of lead acid storage battery. First is discharging. Discharging means it is the current that can be drawn from the battery and is delivers to the load. In anode, the reaction, the lead is oxidized to form Pb2 plus ions. Then oxidation reactions can take place. This Pb2 plus react with the sulfate to form PbSO4. Then write the overall the reaction. In Pb2 plus present in both reactants and product, so both are cancelled. So the remaining reactants and product are written in the overall the reaction. Then Pb solid state plus, then SO4 2 minus gives, then PbSO4 plus 2 electrons. Then at the cathode the reaction, the PbO2 is oxidized to Pb2 plus ions. Then this Pb2 plus ion react with the sulfate to form PbSO4. Then in Pb2 plus are present in both reactant and product, so both are cancelled. So remaining written in the net reaction, then PbO2 plus 4H plus, then SO4 2 minus plus 2 electron gives PbSO4 plus 2H2O. Then overall the reactions is, then in reactant sites the Pb solid is present, so Pb solid, then PbO2 is present, PbO2, then 4H plus in SO4 2 minus, so that is 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. Then the product reaction is PbSO4, so PbSO4, so 2 PbSO4 plus H2O plus some amount of energy can be liberated. During this discharging, the amount of sulfuric acid is decreases. So we must recharging the battery. So the recharging the battery is, so first the density is 1.3, and after discharging the 1.3 is reduced to 1.2 gram per ml. So the battery needs recharging. Then recharging the battery, the cells can be recharged by passing electric current is in opposite directions. The electrode reaction get reversed. The lead is deposited at the anode. The lead oxide is deposited at the cathode. So the densities of sulfuric acid is increases. So PbSO4 is gain of electron, gives Pb plus SO4. Lead is deposited at anode. Then PbSO4 plus 2H2O. Then PbO2, that is the deposited at cathode. Then we write the overall the reaction. 2 electrons will be same, so we are cancelled. So the remaining reactants and product are written in the overall reaction. Then PbSO4, PbSO4. So we can write 2 PbSO4, then write 2H2O plus, then write some amount of energy will be liberated, gives, then Pb, so that's deposited at anode, plus, then PbO2, that deposited as the cathode, plus, then the sulfuric acids. The next go for advantages and disadvantages of lead acid storage, the battery. Then advantages means it can be mainly used in mature technology. Then another advantages is large current capability. The next one is can be made for varieties of application. Next one, tolerant to abuse. Then disadvantages is it is a corrosive electrolyte. Lead is non-environmentally friendly as it need disposing with care, not suitable for fast charging. Then applications of lead acid battery, it's mainly used in car, then UPS, robotics, heavy machinery, then hospitals and telephone exchange. Thank you. Thank you very much for wonderful listening.